Hi guys, today we're making a 3D canvas wall art with orchids. This DIY is super quick and easy, so let's get started. We're gonna spray paint our flowers, and I have some mini roses and I have my orchids. I'm just gonna separate the petals so I can spray paint them individually. Now it's time to spray paint, and my spray paint of choice is my Rust-Oleum Metallic Gold. And I'm just gonna spray paint all my pieces front and back and leave them to dry. And I use 5 branches of my orchids for this wall decor. Now I'm going to take my canvases. I have 3 panels and I painted them previously. I used the off-white, and then I have this light gray that I'm going to be using over that. And this is just regular indoor paint from the Home Depot. I'm going to be using my rag to dab the paint on. I don't have that special sponge, so I'm going to use my rag, and I'm just putting just a light amount on the rag and then dab it all over the canvas. And I'll just continue with my paint also on the sides, and I did that for all 3 canvases. Now I have some branches. These are artificial branches, but you can use branches from outside, and I'm just gonna glue 2 of them together so they can look a little bit thicker at the base, and I'm using my hot glue for that. Then I'm gonna attach my branches to my center panel, and I'm starting it right at that edge of the panel on the right side. And this is such a quick and easy DIY. My flowers are dried, so now I'm just going to glue them right on the edges of my branches. I'm going to start there, and then I'll just continue to add flowers until I'm satisfied with how it looks. I'm placing them now just to make sure that I'm going to like the design, and then I'll glue them later on. So just follow along, okay? And this is how far I am. I ended up placing a few more at the top to complete the shape, but for now I'm going to go ahead and place my roses into the center of my orchids. So this DIY is super quick and easy, guys. All I did was spray painted my flowers and hot glue them onto my panels, and I gave them a shape like a tree and the branches at the end. And I also placed the smaller petals at the base so it can look like leaves falling off. Let me know what you think about this 3D wall art. These 3 panels, what would you have done differently? I would love to hear from you. So you're still here watching, so I'm gonna take it that you really like this video. I'm gonna ask you for a thumbs up if you didn't give me a thumbs up earlier. I really appreciate that thumbs up. And if you know someone that would love this video, please share it with them. I would really appreciate that. That helps my channel to grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye bye.